From 0 to JLPT N5, this is lesson 42. So today, let's talk about another grammar pattern which uses the te form. So today, we will talk about this one, te iru, present continuous. So using this grammar pattern, you can express things like I'm drinking coffee, I'm studying Japanese, what you are doing right now. That is called present continuous. And grammar format is this, te form plus imasu. That's it. It's very simple. So, in the past lesson, in the lesson 40, we talked about how to conjugate verbs into te form. So if you still don't know how to change the verb into te form, please go back to lesson 40 and study the conjugation rule. So now I will show you one example. I'm reading a book. 本を読んでいます。So, 読んで this is the te form of to read. Dictionary form is 読む and because it's in group 1, you need to change む to んで therefore, te form of 読む is 読んで and to express reading, I am reading, you need to add います therefore, te form plus います読んでいます So now, I'd like you to do this exercise. Please stop the video and translate the sentences into Japanese. You can refer to those dictionary form verbs when you translate. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. My father is listening to music. 父は音楽を聴いています。聴く is group 1. So you need to change く to いて。Therefore, te form plus います。Then is listening. And for father, formally you can say 父 but casually お父さん is also okay. Second one, I'm talking with my friend on the phone. 友達と電話で話しています。話す that's the dictionary form. And it's group 1, so you need to change す to して。te form plus います together. 話しています。I'm talking. And on the phone is 電話で because this is the tool you use. Therefore, you need to use で particle to indicate this is the tool. And we haven't really talked about this much, but と particle can also used as with in Japanese. So, と using と you can express and, but also with in Japanese. Therefore, with my friend is 友達と Last one. My sister is swimming in the pool. 妹はプールで泳いでいます。泳ぐ dictionary form. It's group 1. So change ぐ to いでte form plus います together it's is swimming. Sister, if it's younger sister, 妹. If it's older sister, 姉 or お姉ちゃん、お姉さん. So it really depends on the context. Now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 父は音楽を聴いています。 友達と電話で話しています。妹はプールで泳いでいます。Very good job. So if you have any questions about te form or grammar patterns, particles, and so on, please don't hesitate to ask me anytime, and I will be very happy to answer your questions. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Please translate the sentences into Japanese. I will put those vocabularies, including the dictionary form verbs, in the description below so that you can refer to them when you do the homework. So very good job today. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。